Okay, yeah, this is weather outlook for Thursday, the 16th. This is how you can donate if you wish to donate to support this page. It's 10 years ago today, and I will go live later on today between 7 and 8 on the two different websites, which I'll take your questions, comments, whatever you want to talk about. Okay, and we have Greg and Joshua both donated in the last 24 hours, so we want to thank them. And I released a video prior to this one, and I want you, if you can, I mean, I've got 70,000 people between my websites that follow me. I get a fraction of that. I can get nominated for weather spokesperson, best of the best 2025. So just go to the Times Leader and follow the video I posted before. It's very simple to do, and I would appreciate it. You got about a week to do it before the nominations end, and I guess we have to be in the top three or whatever. Last time Joe Snedeker won it. So right now we have some snow moving through Pennsylvania. Western part of the state got a little bit more because, again, lake effect helped out there. As it moves east, it kind of dies out. In my backyard, I probably got between a half an inch or so, and it's telling me here I should get 6/10, and that's pretty close. I think it always overachieves a little bit more this winter. Again, down by Philly, it's just talking about a dusting, and then even in Jersey, a dusting, northern Delaware dusting, and then as you get up here in the Poconos, there could be an inch or two. Up in here in the northwestern Jersey, there could be a half an inch to an inch up there. Okay, if you're going to the Eagle game, okay, take a look down there. Temperatures, I saw reports of temperatures down in the teens. Snow will start, and it's going to be snowing really hard. Um, no. Okay, 35 degrees game time temperatures during the game. And if we're looking precipitation, this is, let's see, that's not what I really wanted. What I wanted was this one. This is, again, some lake effect down here, but this is another storm system moving in, which is now beginning to match what I said about being a little bit more than nothing from what some of the models said. There's snow moving in here late morning. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There could be an inch or two on the ground, so it'll make for an interesting game. But temperatures won't be in blizzard temperatures. But this is what is happening. Okay. This is the Canadian model. This Canadian model has been all over this for a week now. It's been on the ball. I like it. Um, it's really got some heavy snows coming here and down here. Sorry, New Jersey. But it has some very heavy snows. This area in between here, between 8 and 10 inches. If you're wondering what the other models are saying, the other models are saying basically southeastern PA and further into Jersey, 3 to 6 inches. Now, this I like a little bit better, but I do think up here we have to go with the other map where it shows some heavier snows going through Reading and Allentown and out this way, the suburbs of Philly. But I do like these numbers totaled by late Monday night, and I think that that's a pretty good bet all the way down to the shoreline down here, probably 2, 3, 4 inches. So that's kind of what I like, except a little further north here, a little bit heavier totals on that. Now, the following weekend, there's another coastal storm. The GFS is just catching on to it today. The other models weren't going along with it, and now they're starting to catch on. But the GFS shows a pretty good storm that includes Philadelphia all the way back again. So pretty much the same areas that get slammed with the first one get another one. And this is not deep snow, but 6, 7, 8 inches, especially in Philadelphia, will drive them crazy. And now we move out a little further. The following week, Tuesday time period, the 28th, the Euromap shows another snowstorm pretty much in the same area. So, again, we have to look at these things one by one, and that's what keep things in mind. And we go back to the Canadian model, which right now seems to be the one I like, except South Jersey getting more snow. Again, look up here. This is lake effect snow, and this is starting in the beginning of the week, and you can see it's accumulating. This up here has nothing to do with the snow on the east side of Pennsylvania, but I want you to watch how this numbers go up as we go through the week. Look up by the lakes up there. It's getting into the feet. And then you're also seeing an eastern part of the state numbers starting to go up also. But what I'm trying to show you is up by the lakes. They're going to be digging out a feet of snow. And again, this is kind of what I see out here. Next week is several inches in South Jersey, heavier amounts to the north and west. And that's kind of what I'm looking at for next week. And the GFS shows this snow falling between now and Monday. And as you can see, it puts the sweet spots over Philadelphia. There's your lake effect up there getting started. As we move during the week, it keeps totaling up like I said, by the lakes, by Erie, where they're in feet. Same thing in the Laurel Highlands, they could be over a foot. But by next Friday, this is the GFS model. I mean, that's a lot of snow, especially for Philadelphia. And again, that's two snowstorms going back to back, which I explained earlier. But here's your snow down to the coast, which I kind of like the idea that I told you that the snow would go down to the coast. So that takes you out to next weekend. And that's like I said, the snow just keeps accumulating up here heading into the final week of the month. And here you can look at some of these numbers up here, over 3 feet of snow up here. And again, everybody gets snow. Here's your snow hole. Here's your snow hole. It seems like it doesn't like Elmira. I think that's Towanda. Wellsboro's out here. It don't like you, at least right now on the models. So, there's always a snow hole, and there's a snow hole. It's actually the center part of the state gets some snow, but not like it does in east and west. Okay, that's it. I'll be live at 7 o'clock on one of the web pages and 7:30 on the other weather page. Depends on which one you follow. And again, go to the Times Leader Best of the Best 2025. Take a look at the video that's before this one and vote. I appreciate it. If you got more than one email address, go for it. Fill that box up and let's get the votes in. I decided that, you know what, let's do this. Okay, thanks a lot. Take it easy. Be safe, and I'll update this again tomorrow.